Hi boys and girls, it's Dinosaur Week, my favorite week. I love Dinosaur Week. So I thought that we could kind of talk about how the scientists think that the dinosaurs went extinct. Now remember, extinct means dinosaurs are no longer here. Those dinosaurs are long gone. Now if we had dinosaurs here, that would be kind of scary, wouldn't it? They are humongous. So they are no longer here. They lived here millions and millions of years ago. But how scientists think that they became extinct was a big meteor from outer space came and crashed onto Earth. And that changed our climate dramatically, where the dinosaurs couldn't survive. Ash and gas was spewing from the volcano, and it suffocated the dinosaurs. So that's one way that scientists think that the dinosaurs became extinct from our Earth. Now, I thought it would be kind of fun to make a volcano. So there's a couple of ways you can make a volcano. You can make a volcano out of paper. You could make a volcano out of Play-Doh. You could make a volcano out of, even if you have toilet paper rolls at home, okay? So Miss Martin's going to show you two ways. She's going to show you how to make a volcano out of paper and how to make a volcano out of Play-Doh. The first one we're going to make is we are going to make the volcano out of paper, okay? So Miss Martin is going to do a science experiment, okay? And if you want to do the science experiment with me, you would need a little cup, okay? You're going to need a little cup so you can put all the ingredients in the little cup. So if you have a little cup, maybe like a Play-Doh cup or just a disposable cup at home, you can get your cup, or if you have a cup that your mom wouldn't mind cleaning afterwards, get your cup and you're going to kind of mold your volcano around your cup. So I think we need a smaller piece of paper. So I'm going to cut this in half. And then I'm going to start molding around my cup. Now there's a lot of paper still left and it's not going to stand. So I'm going to cut the rest of the paper off. Then I'm going to make little slits, just so the volcano can stand on its own. Now you might need some tape or a glue stick in order to hold those pieces together. Miss Martin has some tape, so she's going to use a little bit of tape to hold those pieces together. Like that, and then I'm going to color it kind of like a volcano. So usually volcanoes are dark, so I'm going to color my volcano black, and the coloring doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to get my red and I'm going to make little wiggles, kind of like lava coming out of my volcano, kind of wiggles. That's one way you can make a volcano. Now, if you do not want to do the science experiment with Miss Martin and you just want to make a volcano, you can make it out of a toilet paper roll, or you could take the other half of a paper and you can kind of make it like a cone shape. Take that together. Or glue it together, whatever you have. And then cut around the base so it can stand up. And there's that volcano. Now remember, you got to make sure you have a hole, because that's where the lava spews out of the volcano. And then you can go ahead and color it however you want. Like I said, usually volcanoes are a darker color. But if you want to make your volcano lighter, you do it. And then I'm going to put little wiggles, just like I did with our cup. Kind kind of like lava spewing out of our volcano. There's two ways you can make it out of paper. Now, I'm going to do the one how you can make it out of Play-Doh now, too. Some Play-Doh. And she has quite a bit of Play-Doh. And I also have the Play-Doh cup that it's in. And I'm going to use this to help me kind of mold my volcano. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a big ball of Play-Doh and I'm going to roll it in my hand. This is going to be my base, so I'm going to put the base right underneath my Play-Doh cup. Kind of give it a level. And then I'm going to start making the base of my volcano. So I'm going to start to layer some of my Play-Doh around the cup, giving it a nice sturdy base. Now that I have the base of my volcano, we're going to start to build up to really form that volcano shape. So you're going to need some more Play-Doh. You're just going to kind of go around the Play-Doh cup. I see a little bit more of the yellow type of cup, so I want to hide that. So I'm going to use some more Play-Doh. And your volcano does not have to be perfect. Now remember, there's a little opening up at the top of the volcano, and that's where like the lava comes out. All the ash and the lava spews out of the volcano. So make sure you keep a little opening for the lava and the ash that can come out of the volcano. Martin's volcano is complete. Now, what Miss Martin wants to do is she wants to kind of do a science experiment. You remember, if you have ever seen an erupting volcano, it kind of bubbles up and then it spews out, okay? So what we're going to see is if we mix vinegar and baking soda, if it will spew out of our volcano. All right, boys and girls, here comes the fun part. So we are going to see if we can make our volcano erupt. What you're going to need for this is, and if you don't have this at home, if you don't have these materials, please do not worry. You can just watch how it bubbles up and explodes from our volcano, okay? So what you're going to need, though, if you want to do this at home with Miss Martin, is you're going to need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Miss Martin already has her baking soda in there. And then you're going to need 1/4 cup of vinegar. And Miss Martin put some red food dye in there, kind of like lava. Now, the sodium, the baking soda, is a base, okay? And then the vinegar is an acid. So when they combine together, it usually forms a chemical reaction, right? And it bubbles up and it expands. So we're going to see, we're going to watch if that's what it does with our volcano mixture. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to pour it in. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see. Okay, are you ready? Ooh. Oh! Did it erupt? And it did! It worked! I'm so excited. This is my first time doing this, so I'm so excited that I got to do it with you all. Now, if you all do this at home, please video it because Miss Martin and Miss Leroy would love to see your volcano reaction. I love you all. Hope you all had fun.